Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to add a contact form in WordPress. Now we will need to have a contact form so that when people want to reach to us, they can be able to fill a contact form and then we'll get that message ASAP. So we have to add a page that is called Contact Us. So we are going to add a page. Call this page Contact Us. So we are going to publish this particular page. And we are going to open it in a new link, and you can be able to see that we have this particular page called Contact Us. So we want to add a form here where people can come and fill, and then we'll get to see what they have for us. Now we are going to go to our dashboard. Then we are going to go to plugins, going to add a new plugin. So we're going to write here contact form, and we are going to install this particular plugin called Contact Form 7. It's one of the latest plugin and the oldest plugin, and it has been downloaded by 5 million people. So what we are going to do is hit on install and activate. Good. So we are going to see the plugin here being active. So this is the Contact Form 7, and actually I don't know why it's called Contact Form 7. I have been in WordPress for quite some time, and I have never seen Contact Form 1, 2, 3, but it's 7. It started by Contact Form 7. If you know the answer to that, please if you know the answer to that, please feel free to answer in the comment why they call it Contact Form 7 and not any other. So you're going to hit on settings, and then by default you can see that we have a contact form. They call it Contact Form 1, and this is the shortcode that they use for the contact form. So you can see it's Contact Form 7, then the ID of the page, and again now the name Contact Form 1, which is here. So if you want to use this one, you can always use this one. This is a standard form, but if you want to add your personal contact form, you can always hit on add new. Then you can call it Contact Form 2, something like that. So you can see these are the default contact. This is what is in the default contact, which you can play around with, but I find it to be standard, so you don't need necessarily to change anything. You can come to mail, and you can see to and from and the subject that we'll be having. Then you can have additional headers here. Then maybe you can have the message of the body. So basically you can edit these things, but I don't find them necessary, but you can. For example, you can say welcome. Maybe you can say in the message body, welcome to our company. It's not important, but you can always twist it to your taste. So welcome to our company. Then you can go to messages, and once a person has filled the form, this is a message that they are going to get. You can change that. You can also change all these particular messages that will be sent to or will be used. So I find this to be relatively okay. So you don't need to change anything, but I'm just saying that it's possible to change. For example, you can say thank you for your message. Maybe we will contact you shortly. Maybe you can say that. So you can go to additional settings, and they don't have any additional settings for now. So you can just hit on save to save this particular form. So save. Then hit on contact forms again. Now you'll be able to see your brand new contact form here. So it's in form of a shortcode. So what you need to do is now to click on the shortcode, then copy the shortcode, then go to the page that we have just created, the contact us page, and now you're going to paste that particular shortcode. So I'm going to show you how to do it with Elementor, but for the normal page, you're just going to paste the shortcode here, and it's going to be detected as a shortcode, as you can see. So when you're done with that, you just hit on update. So if you open this in a new link, now you can be able to see that we have a very beautiful contact form here. So this is our contact form here. Very beautiful. It has your name, your email, subject, and the message. Then you can be able to submit. So we can also do this with Elementor. So, but before we go for Elementor, let us test whether the form is working. So your name, let me just say my name, my email. Let me just use that particular email, and then subject, test. Then we can have our message. Hello, this is a test. So we can see now if we submit, you will be able to see the message that we changed. So if we hit on submit, now you see we had changed this. Thank you for your message. We'll contact you shortly. So this has worked on very well. So if we go to our now inbox, we are going to see the message that has been sent just right now. So if we go to our inbox, so you can be able to see that we have this particular message that has been sent. So just click on the message and you can be able to see that we have the message and we had edited this. Welcome to our company. So we can see that it has been generated the right way, the way we want. Now we can again go back to our dashboard and go to our pages and add a new page that we're going to edit with Elementor, just in case you use Elementor. So let us call the page contact us now, please. I'm just creating a random page. So I'm going to publish this particular page. Now I'm going to edit or open the page again here. Let me just open it so that when I'm done, I can be able just to refresh. So this is the contact us now. So let us edit this with Elementor. So we are going to add a block here. So let us add a container here, and then we can be able to add the shortcode here. So we are going to hit on this particular box here and search for a shortcode. So we have a shortcode here. So we are going to drag and drop the shortcode in our block here like that, and then we are going now to copy. So I had copied it. I'm just going to paste it, the same shortcode that we had, and you can see we have now a shortcode in form of a form here. So you're going just to hit on update. So I prefer Elementor because you can play around with its advanced settings to be able to see, to add some padding. You can be able to add some, you can play around with it here. So you can have some motion effects, maybe sliding, things like that. So we can update it after we have played around with it. And then when we come here and refresh, you can see we have a beautiful contact us now page here, or the form is here now. So You can come and again do the same test. So you are going to fill, going to call it another test. Then when we come here, we're going to write another test. So that is the message. So when we submit, you can see we still have the same message. And when we go to our inbox, you can see we have another message that is another test. And we can be able to see the message here. So if you are not getting messages in your inbox, I'm going to create another tutorial. So please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and like this video so that we can be notified when I release the next video about how to make your emails go straight to inbox. I'm going to use free resources, so make sure that you subscribe so that you can be notified when I do that particular video. So if this video has been helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this.